Hi everyone, I'm Ruhi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope all of you are staying indoors and are safe in this situation. Those of you who would want to try a different kind of reception, engagement, or bridal makeup, here's the look I tried creating. Stay tuned for the tutorial. Let's begin our look by applying concealer as my eyeshadow base and blend it with my microfiber beauty blender by Bloom Co. Here I'm gonna apply some loose powder to set the concealer. I have used the black and brown shades from my eyeshadow palette to fill my eyebrows. It helps me control the eyebrow look that I want, also stays longer and waterproof. And to add, never start filling eyebrows from the beginning end of your eyebrow, start filling from middle. I have applied dark violet shade from my eyeshadow palette in triangular fashion in the outer V of my eyes and also towards the inner space. I'm taking my concealer here to wipe off the eyeshadow and clean the center part of my eyelid. I have taken dark pink shade from my eyeshadow palette and applied on the outer edges of the violet shade to show some transition. Taking some copper shimmer from the same eyeshadow palette and applied it with the flat brush on the center of my eyelid. I've taken violet and a little black shade together to darken the parts where I had applied the violet shade before. Here I have used Sparkly Distraction Glitter Primer by PAC Cosmetics on the center of my eyelid, and I added Golden Glitter by Bay Beauty on top of it and repeated the same on the other eye. I also added a little blue glitter by Bay Beauty to make it more colorful. I've taken Garnier Micellar water in a small cotton pad to clean the glitter fallouts. I'm gonna apply black kajal on my lower waterline. I've taken my all-time favorite Innisfree moisturizer and massaged well on my face with my fingers. Here I'm gonna apply face primer on my face and leave it for a minute or two to settle. For foundation, I'm using Forever 52 Ultra Definition Foundation. I have put dots on my face and blended the same with Beauty Blender by Bloom Co. I have also taken my flat Kabuki brush by PAC Cosmetics to blend the foundation so that it looks seamless and looks like skin. I'm using LA Gold Concealer for cream contouring of cheeks and my nose. Blended the same with contour brush by PAC Cosmetics. I'm highlighting here my under eye area, nose bridge, center of my forehead, Cupid's bow and chin area using Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. I blended the same with the same beauty blender. To powder my face, I'm gonna use MAC Studio Fix Compact Powder in the shade NC40. Here I'm using Face Palette by Sugar Cosmetics for powder contouring. I use the same palette for powder blush. I'm taking violet shade from my eyeshadow palette for my lower lash line. I've also taken some dark pink shade to blend out the violet shade. I'm gonna use Maybelline highlighter to highlight cheekbones, bridge of my nose, brow bones, inner corners of my eyes, Cupid's bow and chin. Finishing my look with Smashbox liquid lipstick. I love this lip color to bits. It would suit across every skin tone.